Welcome to our video. In this video, we will be discussing how to use a slope in your garden to create a beautiful landscape design. If you have a sloping garden, you may feel like it's a challenge to make it look attractive, but with the right landscaping tricks, you can turn their slope into a stunning feature in your garden. Garden with a steep slope. A steep slope can be daunting, but it can also be an opportunity to create a dramatic garden feature. The first step is to consider how you want to use the space. Do you want to create a terraced garden with multiple levels? Or do you want to create a waterfall or stream feature that takes advantage of the natural slope? Terraced garden. Terracing the slope can help to create usable spaces that are level and easy to maintain. One of the benefits of a terraced garden is that it allows you to create different areas for planting, seating, and entertaining. Waterfall or stream feature. Another option is to create a waterfall or stream feature that takes advantage of the natural slope. A waterfall or stream feature can add a relaxing element to your garden, and it also helps to control water runoff. Garden with a gentle slope. A gentle slope is more forgiving and can be used to create a variety of garden features. One idea is to create a winding path that meanders down the slope. This creates a sense of movement and adds entrance to the garden. Another option is to create a rock garden feature that takes advantage of the slope. A rock garden feature can be created using a variety of different plants and rocks, and it adds a natural element to the garden. Raised bed feature. A raised bed feature can also be created on a sloping garden. This can be a great way to add more planting space to your garden, and it also creates a defined area for growing vegetables or flowers. A sloping garden can be a challenge, but with the right landscaping tricks, it can become a beautiful feature in your garden. We hope this video has given you some inspiration for your own garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more landscaping tips and tricks.